Did you know that baking soda, a simple household item, can offer a range of surprising health benefits for your body? It may sound odd, but this common kitchen staple goes far beyond just being a cleaning agent or a baking ingredient. When it comes to improving your health naturally, baking soda might just be the hidden gem you've been overlooking. From soothing indigestion to balancing your body's pH levels, baking soda has been used for generations as a natural remedy for various ailments. But wait until you hear how this humble powder can make a huge difference in your daily life. Curious? Let's dive into these amazing benefits. Before we continue, if you find this information useful, please take a moment to like, share, and comment on this video. Doing so will help YouTube recommend our videos to more people who can benefit from these natural health tips. By engaging with this content, you're not only helping others, but you're also supporting Naturally Healthy and delivering more valuable insights to you. Now back to our main topic. Did you know that baking soda can help maintain a healthy pH balance in your body? That's right. By neutralizing excess acids, it acts as a natural buffer that can aid digestion, relieve heartburn, and even help with acid reflux. Just a small amount mixed in water can do wonders for your stomach, but that's not all. Baking soda has also been shown to have benefits for your skin. A gentle scrub with baking soda can help exfoliate dead skin cells, leaving your skin smooth and refreshed. It can also soothe irritated skin, making it a great natural option for people dealing with rashes or insect bites. And here's another incredible fact. Baking soda can assist in detoxifying the body by removing toxins and balancing internal systems. Some people even use it in detox baths for overall body relief. As you can see, baking soda offers a variety of health benefits that are easy to access and integrate into your daily routine. So, next time you see that little box of baking soda sitting in your cupboard, remember, it's much more than just an ingredient for baking, it's a versatile health booster. Thank you for watching this video from Naturally Healthy. We hope these tips help you improve your lifestyle, bringing more health and vitality into your daily routine. Don't forget to subscribe for more natural health tips that can make a real difference. Together we can all lead healthier, happier lives.